Hi guys. Oh yeah, what are you eating?
With a wedu and vegan.
How is the taste?
So nice. It's nice. So
Rate 1 to 10.
maybe 5.
5.
But it's nice.
Out of 10.
Yes.
This day that God is giving me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Say subscribe to my. What should you say? Say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, take care. I'll follow you again. Bye bye.
This joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Hi everybody. Say hi. Guys, I have a class by 2 o'clock this afternoon, and this is 1:53 thereabout, but then the lecturer cannot come by 2 o'clock. That's one thing I've planned. As a final year student, when we will going to class, the exact time of that class, the lecturer will never be there. I know what kind of left that will be running. So this is the outfit. Let me give you guys 360. I'm carrying this stove back. And guys, my class got cancelled, and this curry and this it's because you say hi. As you guys can see, I'm going to ask them that they should actually share their experience with you guys. So we are starting with Uswat. Uswat is a first class student. You guys give it up! My friend is a first class! Yeah. So she's just going to give you guys a little bit of advice. So let's go. Okay, Uswat, tell them.
Hi everyone.
Put it to your face very well.
It's okay. I should start talking. Okay. Hi everyone. Well, I would just say, to believe in God and then read, then put God first. Everything will come easy for you guys. I think that's all. Just God.
Perfecto. That's it, guys, and we have our first class stroke, second class upper strong one student. So she's going to give you guys a little bit of advice. So yeah, baby, give them. But you're not.
No. So hi guys.
As you all know, my name is Corrida.
They don't need to know your name.
You just have to be consistent, read like regularly. As we all know, Rome is not built in a day. And to make a flower grow, you have to like water it every day. So you have to like read
Motivational speaker.
every day, so you can gain more knowledge. And that's it.
Thank you to my friends. Okay, our fourth friend is not here. Her name is Chiwendu. Don't worry. Should I put her on a call so that she can advise you guys? But don't worry. And that video is coming very soon. So that's all for now. So what do you want to say to everybody? Subscribe
Subscribe to the post channel. YouTube channel.